The EpiQuik Histone Modification Multiplex Assay Kits are efficient and convenient sets of optimized reagents to detect and quantify multiple modifications simultaneously from either H3 or H4 histone proteins from a wide range of species using an ELISA-like well plate format. The EpiQuik Histone H3 Modification Multiplex Assay Kit can measure up to 21 different H3 patterns concurrently, while the H4 Modification Multiplex Assay Kit can measure up to 10 different H4 marks at the same time. These include total histone levels, as well as the most commonly studied modifications on lysine and serine residues like mono, di, and trimethylation, acetylation, and phosphorylation. The protocols for these kits boast the advantages of allowing a detection range from 20 to 500 nanograms of histone extracts per well, having a rapid procedure that can be finished within 2 hours and 30 minutes, and a flexibility of either manual or high throughput processing via an innovative colorimetric assay in a strip microplate format. Prepare working buffers and solutions, including diluted wash buffer, diluted detection antibody solution, and diluted assay control protein, according to the user guide to ensure optimal assay performance. The following charts display the plate layouts of the H3 and H4 multiplex kits. Locations of the coded capture antibodies and their specific histone modification targets are shown in the indicated wells. First, the H3 modification multiplex setup, and the H4 modification multiplex strip well setup. Determine the number of strips required for your experiment. Remove unneeded strips from the plate frame and place them back in the storage bag with the desiccant packet. First, add antibody buffer to blank, control, and sample wells. Next, add the indicated amount of diluted assay control protein to the control wells and histone extract samples to the sample wells. Tightly cover the plate with the provided adhesive covering film and incubate for 1 to 2 hours at 37 degrees Celsius for histone binding. Remove the reaction solution and wash the wells 3 times with diluted wash buffer. Add diluted detection antibody to each well. Cover the plate and incubate at room temperature for 1 hour. Remove the diluted detection antibody and wash the wells 4 times with diluted wash buffer. It's important to ensure any residual wash buffer in the wells is removed as much as possible at each wash step in order to minimize background noise. Add developer solution to each well and incubate at room temperature for 1 to 10 minutes away from light. Begin monitoring the color change in the sample wells and control wells within 1 minute. The developer solution should turn blue in the presence of sufficient modified products. Finally, add stop solution to each well to stop the enzyme reaction when the color in the positive control wells turns medium blue. The color will change to yellow after addition of the stop solution. The absorbance should be read on a microplate reader within 2 to 10 minutes at 450 nanometers with an optional reference wavelength of 655 nanometers. The optical density measurements can then be used to calculate the histone modification levels of the tested samples. Refer to the user guide for performing calculations. For ordering or to learn more about the EpiQuik Histone H3 or Histone H4 Modification Multiplex Assay Kits, catalog numbers P3100 and P3102, please visit www.epigentek.com or epigentek.com/distributors for non-US customers, or contact your account associate today at 1-631-755-0888.